Well, welcome back to the Racing Trucker. Hey, we're at Watkins Glen, and today is the first day of a 2-day test. We got here last night and it was pouring down rain, and we did not get a chance to get pit set up. So this morning's assignment, we're gonna first get over the pit and get all of our equipment in there and get set up so we can start testing. So let's go. Alrighty, we're here down at pit row, and we are running two cars. So we have pit stall 17 and 18 assigned to us. So here's 17 and that's 18. We're gonna start getting all set up. And we're gonna need a little bit of nitrogen for the guns and for the air jacks. So we'll grab 2 bottles. All right, back at pit, getting everything all set up. Mark's putting the bottle in there. Got that one set up. I'll have to lay it down with a cage for the air jacks. Coming along. One thing I wanted to point out as I'm walking here is on the way here. So our hotel is about 30 minutes from the track, and I filmed a little bit on the way here. This area is freaking beautiful. If you ever have a chance to come see a race at Watkins Glen, there's so much more to see around this track than just the race. It's just a beautiful area. We went through a few villages on the way here. It's pretty cool, so I highly recommend it. Just came back to the truck to get more stuff, and let's go check out how Tire World's coming along. Looks like Gavin and Diego have got it all set up. Look at that. Got walls up. They got their Tire World all set up. Got their table. Diego, you all good to go for today? All right. Looking good, Gavin. Alrighty, we're up here in the media center, and Apex also puts on a really good breakfast for us. Bob, what do we got? Bacon?
We got some bacon, we got some eggs, we got fruit. You gotta have fruit.
Oh, gotta have fruit, yep.
You have to have fruit.
All right. Some fresh fruit, some eggs. All right, we're gonna have some breakfast. And guys, the most important thing, I'm gonna swing around here, that corner over there. Zoom in a little bit. That is the barista. It's making fresh coffee. You know where I'm headed. All righty, test day is almost ready to get started. We're getting everything all situated here. We got the canopy up, got the guns all set up, and everything's ready to go. So a few more things to do here, and then we'll get the car out. All right, David, our technical geek, just arrived. So he's going to get in the, well, he's having some breakfast, but then he's going to get the screens up and get all the computer stuff going and the timing going for us. But first, he's got to eat a little bit. Oh, and we got the antenna up too. Alrighty, track has gone green. The car is warming up. So I'm heading back to pit. Had to get my monkey suit. We want to maximize our testing as much as possible. So whenever the car needs fuel, instead of coming back to the garage and fueling it, we're just going to fuel it with cans on the pit. So that's why I have to be in the suit, because we'll be fueling while the car's running and it's on pit row, so that's why. So anyway, back to pit. We'll get the rest of it all set up and get on track. All right, electronics are almost up and going. Did I mention it's cold here? Look at the skies. It's 55 degrees. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. What the heck? I guess I'd rather have it a little cold than hot and balmy. Alrighty, tires have arrived and all the fuel we need for the next couple hours.
Yeah, I heard TGS has to do that.
righty, well, it's lunchtime. So morning session went really well. We had both cars out there, mainly concentrated on just getting some data, a few minor adjustments here and there. Cars came in quite a few times for little things, but we really weren't looking for adjustments yet. We're mainly just laying down some data to see where everything is, and then we'll go from there. So this afternoon will be a busier afternoon, a little bit more changes on the car, and see if we can make some improvements on it. But first, it's lunchtime. Well, let's go into the media center here and see what they have for lunch for us. All righty, let's see what they got. We got salad, some more salad, chicken salad, flatbread. Okay, we got veggies, rice, chicken breast of some sort, shepherd's pie, lamb and beef it says. And over there we got pastries. And then of course in the far corner we got the barista. Oh, time to get some lunch. Okay, lunch is all over with. We're going out for the afternoon session now. Let's see how it goes. Okay, well, it's 4:30 and they called it quits for the day as far as track time. So everything went really well today. A lot of going out on the track, coming in, going out, coming in. I got so much footage of the car just leaving and coming in. I'm only going to use a little bit of it. Otherwise, you guys would be sitting there for half an hour just watching the car in and out of the pit. But we did a lot of adjustments, learned a lot of good data. So things are coming along really well. We have a plan for tomorrow to do some more adjustments and things and see how the car reacts. So that's really good. The guys are back in the garage. They're going to go through the cars, measure everything, document where everything is at right now so we don't lose our place. And then I'm going to close up pit here. Porsches are loud. So I'm going to close up pit here. We're going to put the walls up, make sure everything's good, because looking at that sky, it could rain again tonight, so who knows. So let's start closing up pit. Alrighty, we're getting this place all shut down. We got the computer screens all covered. We got the walls up all the way around. And then we took the guns, put them up here, and rolled up all the hoses. So if it does rain tonight, nothing on the ground that will get hurt getting wet. So everything's put away. We're looking good for tonight. Alrighty, we are all shut down for the evening. I'm leaving the antenna up, but it is fiberglass, so I don't think there's be any problems with it. We'll find out in the morning. I'm back here at the trailer now. Guys working on the cars. I'm gonna do a little trailer maintenance. These side marker lights here, I had to replace them. Every once in a while, they get water in them. I love how bright these things are. I really do. They're not very expensive, but they from the truck washes, they do get water in them. See that one right there? It's not working anymore. That's the black tape on top. I marked it. So we're gonna replace a couple of these and get them working. I carry spares with me because they go out all the time. There we go, all new, much better. So I said that they go out quite often. Actually, I replaced, what, 2 last year, and this is my second one this year. So they don't go out that often, but I do carry spares and I replace them as needed. Alrighty, well, we're winding down the day. I'm down here in Tire World right now, helping out the guys getting the tires ready for tomorrow. They're still working on the cars, measuring stuff, getting everything all ready to go. We'll probably be here about another hour or so. It's 7:30 now, so probably finish up about 8:30. And we started at, I think we left the hotel at 6:30 this morning. So 14-hour day, kind of normal. It's what it is. So anyway, tomorrow, guys, join me tomorrow. It's a long day tomorrow because we're going to do a full day testing like we did today. But then at the end of the testing, we got to pack all this up, put it back in the trailer, and then I got to get my trekking hat on, and we got to go to Rochester, which is not far. It's like 2 hours away, but got to take the truck to Rochester so we can start prepping and getting ready for the race weekend coming up. So guys, join me tomorrow. We got a full day ahead of us with packing or testing, packing, and then getting to Rochester. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and like, and we'll see you tomorrow.